Chief Minister Y. Kim Chan has expressed strong concern over some forces attempting to sow discord and create rivalry among communities, claiming that there is no question of travel restrictions for Meiteis and Nagas in Kangpokpi district. He was speaking at a Har Ghar Tiranga public meeting at Yumnam-Lekai Yumjau Larenbi Lampak. Earlier in the morning, the Chief Minister flagged off a Har Ghar Tiranga rally from Ibudhaw Luang Pukpa Lampak, Chingamakha. The rally, organized by the BJP Singjamai Mandal, proceeded along the Indo-Myanmar route and concluded at Yumnam-Lekai Yumjau Larenbi Lampak. Rajya Sabha MP and BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda, BJP Manipur in charge Dr. Ajit Gopachade and numerous party workers also attended the event. Speaking further, Kim Chan highlighted Manipur's history of unity, stating that various communities have historically shared the responsibility of governing and protecting the state. He pointed out that the first speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly was from the Meitei community in Churachandpur. Emphasizing that the state cannot progress while divided by ethnic mindsets, Kim Chan urged the majority Meitei community to act as a unifying elder brother and embrace all communities. The Chief Minister also recalled his warm reception in Kangpokpi yesterday, emphasizing that the reality on the ground contradicts common perception of hostility.
Election Dorkanda, Yana Bus of Asiada, Manimaka Tamba, Leva Amagi, Sarkar Simba Madambugi. Speaker will give it. Speaker will give up Manipur Legislative Assembly in 1947. The Speaker will give an Padu Sorasan Pudagi by Tini. Yananda Manipuri Assembly. The speaker will give up 1947-48. How the speaker will be number two? Pegi, Chorasan to the fighting. So I know Tanzania Wapam the Manipuri community Mayamasana Punanga Agalak highway. Meitei-Naga Kalaba Kukina Kuki Kalaba Nagana Nagan Kalaba Kasum Manipur Chaput Payawe.
Meanwhile, BJP Manipur Pradesh President and Rajya Sabha MP A. Sharda Devi emphasized that the government must play a pivotal role in restoring peace to Manipur to reflect the true meaning of an independent nation. She pressed the current Chief Minister for implementing significant measures to build state unity, adding that she felt immense pride as party president witnessing these endeavors. Sharda criticized opposition for allegedly spreading false propaganda and misrepresenting the Chief Minister's meetings with various communities in Jirbam district aimed at restoring peace. She highlighted the Chief Minister's recent visits to Kangpokpi, Churachandpur and Sanapati as crucial government initiatives designed to restore normalcy in the state. The Rajya Sabha MP also sought public cooperation for the Chief Minister's future visits to other districts and ongoing peace-building efforts.
Comment mayamama narratives mayamama opposition party na sagada na ba dumakpane tungan ba Manipur gi laijari ba Valley gi tampak sida chatpada Manipur gi lairi ba praja na Manipur gi Chief Minister ku pamda bani haida na ba hota ba kayama tawi adubo ngasi Honorable Chief Minister na Churachandpur chatpa Kangpokpi chatpa Senapati chatpa sumay na matang chatpa sina hojit aina panjadra su sarkar ki policy program ni sakya daga mayama malai community mayama ma konawagi program ma thauna leina hanpa leitana rich laura Manipur praja gi damak ta chendi ba ha se Honorable Chief Minister ki damak ta ekoi punamak na sobatpam thoi ha se masima so ai miyang da thamjari anaina tension jaraga makha tarakpada Bharat nasidi aduki matik mangjil thaba Leibak mayang samdang na bada sotadraba leibak puna mangga ikai kundaraba leibak ama koi base masima Manipur su adumak India di manuda leibak adu baste na mo na ko yaw